Okay, let's write na as an independent form. Na. It means the earth by itself. Okay, so in the beginning, it appears this way, na. Okay, so for example, Na Qin is a name, it's also a Mongol name, I think. Okay, so in the middle, banana. Okay, banana, like a xiangjiao. Okay, so this is ba and na and na in the end. So you learn all of them. Okay, so let's work on n. Okay, so you just repeat na and then put a dot. It's n. Okay, so by itself it means right now, 现在. All right, so in the beginning and in the middle, it looks like this way. N. Okay, in the beginning. Okay, in the middle, you just repeat it. Okay, n. All right, and then mo, you put a mo here. It means previously, 先前,从前. All right, so let's see. Ne in the end, like mo ne, 果然, indeed. Okay, mo ne, you write mo. Okay, you just remember this. Okay, mo, and then you write ne in the end. Okay, this is n and this long stroke and with one dot. This is ne in the end. Okay, indeed, it means. Okay, let's see ni. So by itself, it looks like this, ni. All right, it means de. It means a possessive word, like 山东狗肉你妮儿嘛. Okay, 山东人. Or 王尼霞, 就是那个什么王府的侍卫, the bodyguards of Prince Palace or Prince Home. Okay, so and then in the beginning it looks like this, ni, like for example 你看. Okay, 你看, the Han Chinese. Okay, 你看. Okay, so this is a ka and this n, 看, 你看. All right, so in the middle, 把你哈. This is a ba. Okay, like a banana. This ba. Banana. Banana is also a Mongolian word. Okay, so ba ni ha, ne yi ni. Okay, and then ha. If we stop right here, so this kan is just like this. But if you put a circle here, so it's a ha sound. So 帮你哈. Thank you. 谢谢. Okay, it means 谢谢. Ni in the end. Let me see. Ni in the end. Oh my. Alabani. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Ah. This is a in the beginning. L. Okay. Al. Okay. Ba. Ba. Okay. Alaba. If you put a long stroke here, as Alaban is the official. Okay. Okay. Like a 官方. Okay. Alabani 就是官方的 the official in a possessive form. Okay. Ne yi ni. So this is ni in the end. Yeah, they look pretty much the same. Okay, 官方的 the official as an adjective. Okay, alabani. Let me see. Next one is no. Okay, so just put it here. Okay, so no or no. Okay, this is an independent form. 就是那个独立态. Okay, so let me think of an example. Noda. Noda is the ethnic group in Yunnan province. Okay, so no, no, and the da. The da, like this. Okay, you just remember this as a da, as an independent form. Sorry, my hand is kind of sticky, so I'm sweating. So no da. All right, so no in the beginning. Okay, let's see. Non, 妹妹, younger sister, non. Okay, so also non wula is nun jiang, right? So if you put a wula here, wu, this is wu and this is la, 就是nun jiang. Okay, so the Nun River. Okay, but itself, by itself, Non, it looks like this. In the beginning, it looks like this. This is the N part. So if you transcribe this, okay, it's N-O-N, non, non-ru. Okay, so in the middle, I can't think of anything. Okay, let's do the ending. Okay, so in the middle, it definitely, it just looks like this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so this is O. Okay, so you put a one tooth here, and then you put, if it appears in the middle, it should look like this way. Okay, so in the end, let me see. In the end, no, yes, it's kind of a vegetable. No, in the beginning. Okay, now you see. Okay, so in the end, okay, you just write this. It should be straight. Okay, no, no, no. It's in Chinese. It's 水葱. It's like a water green onion. Yeah. Okay. Let's see nu. Okay. Okay. Just right here. Okay. So you repeat all. Okay. You put a dot is no, and then you put a dot here is nu. No wu nu. Okay. 转写 in the romanized version. No wu nu. So itself, it means 弩弓, crossbow. Yeah. Okay. So in the beginning, this is easy. In the beginning, like a nuo hach, the name no nu. Okay. Okay. And then ha. Okay. If you put a circle, it's a ha. If you put a dot, it's a ga. So either is possible. Okay. I just put a circle here. So ha. And ch. Okay, in Manchu, this chi also pronounced ch. Okay, is the same spelling. Okay, nuo hach or nuo gach. Okay, 那就是清太祖了 ，the founding father of the Qing dynasty, but actually is the later Jin， 实际上就是后金的建立者。OK， 皇太极才是清朝的建立者嘛。OK，so nuo hach. OK，so in the middle, okay. In the end, I can't think of anything in the middle right now. Okay, but in the end, it's very easy. Okay, inu. This one appears very often. This is ne yi ni. Okay, just like this one. Okay, in the beginning. Okay, inu. Sorry, there's no this. Okay, so inu. Okay, so this is a yi. Okay, in the beginning, and then ne wu nu. Okay, let me just do it again. Okay, inu, it means yes. inu 就是是。Okay, like 西满洲妞就是你是满洲人吗？啊，你说 be inu 啊，是啊 ，inu 是。Okay, inu, no. Okay, let's work on no. So this is wa. You put a dot here. Is no. In romanized version, we use N and V. Okay. No, oh my goodness, I can't think of any example. Okay, let's just make up one word. Okay, no. Okay, so in the beginning, it should look like this. Okay, so this one goes straight. Okay, this is no in the beginning. Okay, so this is no in the end, if there is such a thing. Okay. No in the end, pretty much the same. Okay, so 这个叫做牛角 is called a horn of a cattle, so it doesn't appear in the middle. Okay, so this one tells you like there are more syllables coming. Okay, so 这个就是个连接作用. It just connects two syllables. Okay, so no. Okay, so this is no in the end. Okay, just go straight down. Okay, you write another N, and then you write wa in the end. So this reads no, if there is such a thing. I made up this word just to help you. Okay, so much for today.